Today, we are going to crochet this super easy, no magic ring 3D puff flower. For beginner, I recommend DK weight acrylic yarn with a hook size 4 mm. To make the center of the flower, let's start with slip stitch. So wrap the yarn around the index finger just like this to create a loop, okay? Once the loop is ready, I'm going to take out, okay? And keep the yarn tail on the other side. Now, I'm going to insert the crochet hook through this loop, okay? And I'm going to pull the loop. Now, I have a loop on the hook. Now, I'm going to pull both the yarn tails simultaneously downwards, okay? Just pull it. I'm going to pull it and pull it tightly. Now, I have a slip knot there. Right now, I'm going to adjust the size of my slip knot, okay? So it totally depends on the hook you are using, okay? And now I think this one is better, okay? And I'm going to go and I'm going to make a few chain stitches there, okay? So grab your hook, twist it and pull the yarn through the slip knot we have just made, okay? That's our first chain stitch. And I'm going to go and grab the yarn through our little chain here. That's our second chain there, okay? Now I am not going to make any magic ring, okay? And I'm going to skip my first chain and I'm going to go to the first chain I have made, okay? And I'm going to make a single crochet there, okay? So this is the flower center. I'm going to start the flower center right now, okay? Pull the yarn upwards. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Well done. That's our first single crochet there, okay? So I'm going to continue making the stitches inside this hole here, okay? So this is our flower center. Go and insert your crochet hook and pull the yarn through. Well done. We have 2 loops. I'm going to yarn over and pull 2 loops together, okay? That's our second single crochet, okay? Again go and pull and bring up, okay? Yarn over and pull through. That's our third. Again go there, insert and pull through. That's our fourth there. And we have done so far 4. Again go and insert and pull through, okay? That's our 5th single crochet there. So if you have any doubt, you can always count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay? So we have just done it and I'm going to close this circle, okay? So I'm going to skip the first chain there and go to the first double crochet we have just made. Insert the crochet hook and pull the yarn through, okay? Just pull it gently, okay? And now I am going to pull through the loop on the hook. Just pull through it. Well done. We have just closed the circle and this is our flower center. On this center, we are going to create our puff flower petals, okay? So these are the puff flower petals I'm going to create and we have 5 of them, okay? So let's go to this side first. Insert the crochet hook and I'm going to yarn over and pull through the loop. That's our first stitch there. Yarn over and pull through. That's second. Yarn over and pull through. That's third, okay? So I'm going to go into the first V right beside me. That means this is the chain stitch, okay? And insert the crochet hook and pull the yarn through, okay? So I am going to make a double crochet, but I am not going to complete it. I am going to yarn over and pull through only 2 loops, okay? These are the incomplete double crochets. I am going to make it, okay? That is the second yarn over there and I am going to pull it up, okay? Extend your yarn till the crochet hook, okay? Yarn over and pull through only 2 loops, okay? Just 2 loops. Okay, again go, yarn over, insert the crochet hook into the same chain space and pull the yarn up, okay, and extend it. Yarn over and pull through only 2. Again yarn over and insert and pull through. Okay, again I am going to yarn over and pull through. So I have 5 loops on the hook. I am going for the last time. Okay, yarn over, insert and pull through. So yarn over and pulls through 2 loops, okay, and count it. I have 6 loop on the hook, 6 loops, okay. So yarn over and pull through all of them. Be careful not to miss any stitches in between, okay. Just be careful and pull through all of them, okay. And I'm going to make, that's my first chain there. Again, yarn over and pulls through. That's second. Yarn over and pulls through. That's 3. Okay, we have started with the 3 chain stitches. I'm going to end with 3 chain stitches. So when you insert into the same space, and I am going to make pull through the hook on the pull through the yarn on the hook. Okay, we have just completed our first petal there. You can just push from inside out, so you can see the puffiness of the stitches, and it's really easy and it's really beautiful. Okay, so again, make your 3 chains there. That's second and that's third. Okay, so go to the next chain space. That's our next V there. Insert and pull through and extend it. Yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. Okay, always remember that we are always pulling the yarn, but we do not complete the double crochets. Okay, we just close only 2 stitches at a time. Okay, that's, I have 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, pulls through and extend, pull through 2 loops. Okay, now I have 4 loops, and until you have 6 loops you have to continue with the same pattern. Okay, that's my 5th there. See, I have my 5th stitch, and I am going to the space and I am going to pull the yarn through, and that's my 6th there. Okay, well done. We have just completed our next puff. So that's 6. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. Okay, I recommend using acrylic yarn. Okay, otherwise there are chances that the yarn can be, split. Okay, so it will be really important to use acrylic yarn. So I am going to finish it with 3 chains. So I have just done 3 chains there, and go to the same stitch, insert the crochet hook and pull out. And if you find difficulty in pulling, just push the petals inside out, so it will be really easy. Okay, so this is the same way I'm going to complete all the petals. Okay, just the same way, 3 chains, and then you have until you have 6 loops, and then 3 chains and slip stitch. Okay, and this is the last petal. I'm going to finish it. So I've just finished it, and I am going to end with 3 chains. Okay, so that's first, that's second, and that's third. Okay, and I'm going to go to the same space, insert the crochet hook and pull through, and I am going to pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Okay, so just like that. So we have just completed our 5 puff petals. So pull out some yarn and cut it, and just pull the yarn tail and tighten it. Okay, so this is really easy, and there is no sewing, and I am going to tie a knot and secure it. Okay, and if you want to sew it, you can, but this is the easiest method. Okay, so if you want to make a double knot, you can do it and cut the excess yarn. So this is a beautiful flower, and there is a good puff. Okay, and I have made a few of them. So now I'm going to put this on a tic tac. Take a felt sheet, just make it cut there, insert this tic tac, and then apply a good amount of glue over that. It should be good. Okay, and then I'm going to press it tightly with this. Okay, so it's going to secure it, and you can make how much ever you want. And if you're a beginner, I recommend a thick yarn for making puff flower. Thank you for watching.